Hey guys, it's me, Diamond Snipe ZXC. Whoa! Don't do that crap to me. Yeah, I'm playing with... I am playing with one of my clan members called MaddSlayer. And yeah, I have a different loadout. Now it's the Revolver instead of the other pistol that I was using. Whoa. This lag back is starting to get on my freaking nerves right now. Okay, I'm on the same team. Okay, good, MaddSlayer. You get a shout out because you're one of my clan members. And as everybody knows, I'm gonna have a new loadout every single crap, single day, as everybody knows. What's up, dude? Oh my god, this guy, Konform, he's getting every single kill, and I hate this gun, the GT. Like, really? I hate it so much. Okay, he got the kill. I don't know why, but it's not recording the game audio, and I really wish it would record the game audio. Or no, the game doesn't want to give me its audio. Mr. Blue just rage quit, I think. Whoa. Yeah, somebody killed Konform. Let me get a snipe, dude. Come on, okay. So I'm gonna come in right here. So I'm just gonna get my revolver out because this piece of metal is pretty dang OP. OP. Oh no, why wasn't I there? Are you recording? Yep. Or I should be anyways. Yeah, I'm recording. Jump up and snipe. Thank you for that kill. Oh snap, there's another guy and snipe. Oh no. And snipe. Okay, yes, I got him in the shoulder only because he was reloading. If he wasn't reloading, I would have died. Thank you very much for that kill, though. Probably somebody's gonna spawn right there. Oh no. Oh, I can't believe I'm at 49 health. And snipe. I got that. Oh, that didn't look. It hit like right behind its shoulder. That guy's shoulder. It's, oh my god, I hate M14s. Those are just too OP, and they're newbie guns. Even though I may have to use them in one of my video loadouts, that's really gonna suck. If I get silent for like a long time, it's kind of because I'm concentrating. I see him. I don't know if you guys saw him, but I saw him. Bam! Snipped. Like a boss. And say my name's Shadow Frog because my old channel was Shadow Frog. And so, once I get like 300 credits, I'm gonna change my name to the Diamond Snipes. Come on, get the revolver kill. Yes. Oh, so close. I'm at 37 health. Wow, so much people are rage quitting. It's 3-2. Come on. And snipe. I knew he was going to pop out right there. And snipe. I was going to get you. I hate sneezing during recording. I hate it. Dang, we're so good. And snipe. Dang it, that was so close. Dang, good kill, Konform. Konform, you get a shout out too because you're being a pro sniper right now. And snipe. Oh, double kill. The bullet went through the guy and it hit a headshot. Oh my gosh. He's like, damn, Shadow. Bruh. And I'm eating gummy worms right now, guys. Gummy worms are life. Sour gummy worms are life. It came with like a shotgun in the face though. Whoa! MaddSlayer would never get sniped. He's like the second main leader in my clan. And main sniper. Kept much. Dead. And dead. Oh, what? That really does suck. Gummy worms are awesome. What if they move up? I don't know if they move up. Come on. Okay. And like I said, I knew he was going to move up. Oh, no, I got Naruto Death. That gun, I'm not going to shout you out because that gun is so newbie. It's just too OP. I used to use it, but I'm like, nah, this is too OP. And I hate to say it, but I may have to use it in one of my loadouts. But, you know, do it all for the video. Yay, we won! Snip. Reload. And I got 13 kills. So I only got 5, but yet he's still on top of me. That sucks. GG, yes, GG to you too, man. LOL, only 5 kills. Oh, no scope. What? How? Hacks. For real, though. I hate that gun. So we're going to run around. And yeah. Whoa, there's just a battle over here. And snipe. No, and snipe. How did I miss that snip? Oh my gosh, that sucks. MaddSlayer, you may want to turn around. Thank you, MaddSlayer. I need to play music in my vids. I really just need to play music in my vids. And it's now. I'm so dumb. Don't get sniped, man. You have my back covered? I hope you do. Because if you don't, I will snipe you. Jumps up and snip. Oop. Jumps up and... Dang, lag back. Well, yeah, guys, I think this is going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to MaddSlayer and Konform 666. And yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Bye. And keep eating no, that's my other one. Keep mining them diamonds. See you guys.